Hello, this is a very pretty stitch and I'm calling it the mesh lace stitch. It's very nice, maybe like for a summer shawl or something like that. So it's not reversible, but it also looks nice on the other side, see? Okay, so this is a 4-row repeat. Let me put this here so maybe you can see it. It contrasts better. Okay. So what you do on row number 1, you want to, I have 2 edge stitches, and the reason is because sometimes I have a yarn over either at the beginning or at the end, not sometimes but every right side row. So you're going to knit 1 and then yarn over and knit it together. So make believe that I just cast it on my stitches. And so knit 1, yarn over, knit it together. 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 Yarn over, knit it together, and you do that the whole row. Yarn over, knit it together. Yarn over, knit it together. Yarn over, knit it together. Yarn over, knit it together, and then the last one you knit. Okay, row number 2, you only purl. So remember to purl all those yarn overs. So yeah, this is very nice even to make a mesh bag. Very pretty. My mother used to make collars for sweaters with stitches like this. So there we go. And now row number 3, you are going to knit 1. And now this stitch is called SKP. And what you do here is that you slide 1 purlwise, and then you knit the next one and pass that one over the last one, and then yarn over. Again, slide purlwise, knit, and pass. Not the yarn over, but the one before. And yarn over. So slide, knit, and the one you slit goes over the last one. Yarn over, slide, knit, and pass. Yarn over, slide, knit, and pass. Yarn over, slide, knit, and the one before, that one, the one that you slit, goes over the last one. Yarn over, slide, knit, and pass. Yarn over, slide, knit, and pass. Yarn over, slide, knit, and pass. And yarn over. And the last one you knit. And then row number 4, you only purl. So you see on row number 1 the yarn over is at the beginning. So it's yarn over, knit together, yarn over, knit together. And then on row number 3 you do slide knit past and the yarn over is after. So you end with a yarn over and then knit the last one. So like that you have all these little holes and they're alternated. Okay, let me show you how this looks. It's very pretty. See? Very nice. So thank you for watching. Please share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.